To replace the screen on your Nokia 700, you will need a T5 Torx start-up screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, a small bladed screwdriver, and a plastic separation tool of some kind, or you can use your thumbnail. So first of all, make sure it's switched off and remove the back cover. Take out your battery, and you can leave the SIM card and the memory card in for this. Now we need to undo these 6 Torx screws in the back, and you can skip this part by clicking the link at the top of the video. And don't worry about getting the screws mixed up, they're all the same size. Now there's some plastic clips in here which broke off on the last rehearsal. These are replaced when you put a new screen on, so don't worry if you break them. And we need to separate the front screen frame from the case. So insert your plastic tool or your thumbnail into the corner and carefully separate the screen, bringing it down, and run your thumbnail along the top, and there's 4 clips along the top here. Again, don't worry if you break them, because your new screen comes with new clips. Once you've got that free, lift it away from the bottom and slowly open it up. Now we can get to the ribbon connectors. So carefully pop these up, being careful not to damage any components nearby. And now we have the screen separated. Now the new screens don't seem to come with the speaker grill, so we need to swap this over to a new screen. So using your screwdriver, just push the speaker grill carefully away until it comes unstuck, and then you can carefully peel that away and transfer that over to your new screen. Also, your new screen may not come with a little camera switch, so what you can do is, using your tweezers, you can lift that out and it's held on with double-sided tape, and then get your new screen and put that back in there again. Give that a little push. If you need to replace the earpiece, or it doesn't come with your new screen, just carefully lift it up, and it's held on with double-sided tape, and then put it back in and make sure the connections go down towards the centre of the phone, otherwise the speaker won't work. So take your replacement screen and offer up the ribbon cables, and plug them back in, and put the bottom of the screen in first, and once you're happy that's sitting down nice and flush, you can bring the screen back down and clip it into place. Then reinsert the screws. Again, you can skip this by clicking the link at the top of the video. and just do them finger tight, otherwise you'll snap the screws. Then reinsert your battery, put your cover back on, and we should have a fully working phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll do my best to make some more.